Making payments has never been easier with the new payments platform and OSCO. Here's how to make a payment to a BSB or account number. Simply click Pay Anyone. Of course, for bank accounts you have paid before and saved to, simply press the Saved Payees button. If it is someone you haven't paid before, you must add them as a new payee. Then click New Payee and enter the payee's details. Make sure you have selected Bank Account up the top, then enter their details and press Save. Then, to make a payment, once you have selected that payee, you choose which of your accounts you want to make a payment from and type in the amount. Please note, you must now press Yes in the Send as an OSCO payment window. It's this one here. If this box is greyed out, it means the financial institution you are trying to send money to isn't part of the OSCO payment platform. Feel free to add a description, including emojis. Don't forget, for first-time payees, you'll get a one-time password via SMS. Simply enter that, press Continue, and the payment is done. Real time, real safe, and real easy. For more information on using OSCO and the new payments platform, feel free to contact our call centre.